Okay, so the first thing to do is to make sure that your OneDrive is organized properly so that you have somewhere to put your scans of your work where you can find them and they're easily accessible when you want to upload them to your class notebook. Head into the OneDrive app and you'll see here in the top right hand corner beside the search is the plus sign. I'm going to tap on that and that's going to give me these options. I want to create folder, the third option there. I'm going to call this folder school homework. And happy with that. And then that folder is empty, and inside then you can add different folders for your different subjects. So I'm just going to add again down to create folder, and I'm going to call this English homework. Again, you might set up similar folders for French or for Irish or maths or your other subjects. So I'm going to tap on OK, happy with that. And I'm happy now that I have somewhere to store any scans that I have for English that I can easily find when I want to upload them. And now see if I look, I can see the school homework folder. I tap on that, the English homework folder is there, and I tap on that. It's empty for now, but I can add my files, my scans in there. Okay, so the next thing then, with the OneDrive folder ready to receive the files, the scans, we're going to look at how to scan your work into OneDrive. And this time we're looking at that blue camera icon in the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to tap on that. And it's set to document, which is what I want. Just make sure that document is against a contrasting surface. The blue box is around, it covers everything you want to scan. Phone is over it, the light is not too bad, and tap the white button. Have a look at it. If you're happy with it, you've got different options. You can crop it up here. The white circles, a little bit smaller. Happy with that. Tap confirm. You can rotate it with this top option up here as well if you've scanned it wrong. And if I'm happy, I can tap done, but I actually want to add a second page. So I'm going to tap in the bottom left hand corner here, add new. And again, against a contrasting surface, I'm going to add the second page that I want to add. Again, contrasting surface, blue box around it, take the image. I'm happy with it, that looks okay. I can also add text. I can write on it if I need to, or mark it up if I want. But I'm happy with that, so I'm going to go to done in the bottom right hand corner, and that will save the two images. Now the question is where I want to put it. So first I'm going to change the name up here, so you can see near the top the name scan and the date. I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to change it to diary entry, just to give a name for that piece of homework. Then I'm going to decide where I want to put it. I'm going to go to the bottom files here, not the top one, the bottom one. I'm going to tap on that. And it gives me a few different options. You can see the new folder that I've set up here for school homework. So I'm going to tap on that. And the new folder I've set up for English homework, I'm going to tap on that. And in the bottom right hand corner, I'm going to tap the option for save here. Okay, so that's ready, and now I just have to finish the job by tapping the tick in the top right hand corner. And you can see the folder is empty, but you can see at the bottom of the screen it's uploading the scan. So that's working away. and that file, there it is, it's just appeared there now. So now it's there. I can access it anywhere on OneDrive, and now all I have to do is in the next stage go to OneNote and upload it from OneDrive into the correct class notebook page. So now that you've scanned your work and saved it in that particular OneDrive folder, now you want to attach it to the class notebook page that your teacher has assigned so that they can access it. So this time you're going straight into OneNote, although you can access the class notebook through Teams as well, and into your list of your notebooks. Now you might come straight to this page. If not, there's a purple kind of notebooks kind of bar that you can tap on that will bring you here. Here you can also hit more notebooks if you haven't found the notebook you're looking for. But I'm going to tap on this notebook here, and I see the different sections, and I want to go to this section here, composing bee questions, and the page I'm looking for is the diary entry page which the teacher has set up. I'm going to tap on that, and then when I'm on that page I'm going to tap anywhere on the screen and the toolbar appears. Now in the middle of the toolbar you can see the paper clip icon for attachment, so I'm going to tap on that, and that's going to give me a few different options. So I'm looking at scanning across here through Google Drive, Dropbox, and what I'm looking for of course is OneDrive, and there it is. I'm going to tap on OneDrive and there's a different section. So here I'm going to tap on Files, and there's the folder for school homework. I'm going to attach, I'm going to open that, and then there's my English homework folder, and when I go in there I can see there is the document that I scanned. So I'm going to tap on that, and once I do, I get the option of insert file as attachment or printout. And in this case, what's important is that you pick the option of printout, which will effectively stick your work onto that page. So I'm going to tap on that and give it a chance to insert it, and there it is. There's the two pages. And from there then my teacher can access it or annotate it or mark it or whatever they want to do with it. And it's clear for them to see exactly where it is in your folder. Okay, so that's the final stage in terms of attaching your work to a class notebook page. You don't have to press save, you don't have to do anything like that, because once you attach it, it automatically saves and automatically syncs.